Hey everyone, welcome to ITPK. In this quick video, I will show you how to remove the pin login in Windows 11, even if the remove pin option is grayed out. So if you can't remove your pin or Windows Hello is giving you problems, this video is for you. So before proceeding, make sure you have liked and subscribed ITPK and let's get started. First, let's see how normally you remove the pin. Just type settings in your start menu and in settings, please go ahead, click on account, scroll down, and here you will find sign in option. Click on it and then go to pin Windows Hello. Here you will see the remove option. Just click on it and again click on remove. Now you have to give your Microsoft account password. If your PC is set up with the local account, it will ask you to give your local account password. So let me enter my Microsoft account password here. Okay, now you can see here that my Windows pin has been removed and it's again showing me to set up the pin. Now to verify if the pin is removed successfully, let's go ahead and restart my computer. That's perfect. You can see here now I am getting the password option to log into my Windows 11 computer. Okay, now let's quickly see how to fix the remove pin option that is grayed out. Go to the same settings page, then account, and then sign in option. When I explore pin Windows Hello, you could see here that my removing pin option is grayed out and I am not able to change this setting. Down below, there is additional settings. For improved security, only allow Windows Hello sign in for Microsoft account on this device. Just go ahead and disable this toggle button. Now close these settings and come back to the same setting menu again. Under pin option, you could see that now we have remove button normally appearing here and we could go ahead remove our Windows 11 pin from here. Now, if you want to set up pin again, just go to the same settings option, click on the setup button. This will guide you through the pin setup. Additionally, if you go ahead and lock your computer, here you will find an option to set up the pin. You could see here that want to sign in faster and more securely, enter your password first to set up Windows Hello. Just go ahead and enter your password first, and at this step you will be able to create your pin again. Now here is just a quick note for you. Removing the pin also remove the Windows Hello layer of protection. If you are on a shared or office computer, it's better to keep a secure password in place. So that's how you can easily remove the pin login from Windows 11, even when the option is grayed out. If this video helped you, hit a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.